Hey everyone, today we are going to solve one graph problem which is marked as hard on lead code, but it's not actually too hard. So the problem statement says that Alice and Bob have undirected graph and it had three type of edges. So like there is given, there is type 1 edge which can be traversed by Alice only. There is type 2 edge which can be traversed by Bob only. And there is type 3 edge which can be traversed by both Alice and Bob. And now the problem says that these edges are bidirectional and we have to remove the maximum number of edges from this graph so that graph can be traversed by Alice as well as Bob. And if it's not possible, then we have to print the minus one. So like here sample example is given. So here are like edges are given and their type is given. So the first integer is type, there is type 3 edge 1 to 2 which is marked as a blue. There is type 3 edge 2 3. So like we have to remove the maximum number of edges from it so that still graph is traversable by Alice as well as Bob. So here it says that if we remove the two edges 1 1 and 1 1 1 2 of type 1, that is this edge, and 1 1 1 3 of type 1, that is this edge, still graph can be traversable. So how it can be, like for allies there is like if we use the type range, this graph is all traversable, like one from one for allies every node is reachable, similar for Bob as well. So like here we have to remove the maximum number of edges. So like which should be the first approach coming to your mind is, can it be done using DFS or BFS or something like that? But here is catch, we have to remove edges. And like in DFS, if we try to remove particular edge, we have to do the DFS multiple times. So one intelligent approach can be how we can use disjoint set union for this problem. And another catch is, so what will be the beneficial approach? Whether to remove type 1 and type 2 and type 3. So like think about it. If we try to traverse the graph using type 3 edges, it will be beneficial because these edges are common and these can be used by both Alice and Bob. So removing minimum from it, it will be beneficial, and removing its own edges like Alice and Bob type, that will be beneficial because these edges are going to be used by both of these. So we will try to use these type 3 edges most, and we are going to use DSU for that. And we can check whether node 1 and 4, 1 and 2, 1 and 3 are reachable or not by using the DSU. If we can say that if 1 2 and 3 are in the same group in parent, so they can be reachable. So let's jump into the implementation part of it. So here I have made one DSU class that is simple stuff like maintaining the parents and union and find function. And let's declare one variable that is max edges. Max edges we are going to remove from it, and we are going to make the three DSUs. Why three? Because for allies and for Bob and for common as well. So we will this can be done in two DSU as well. So we can declare two DSUs, and first we can traverse through all type 3 edges and merge them into one because we are going to use maximum number of type 3 edges. So let's do that. So we'll declare two DSUs, Alice and Bob, and okay. First of all, we are going to traverse all the edges. And we can get its type by simply getting the type as e of 0 here. And if that type is 3, exactly equal to 3, we can try to merge it. And if it's already merged, like here, if the type 3 edge is already merged, then we can simply remove it, because we don't want multiple type 3 edges also and multiple alternatives for it. If they are already merged, still we will try to add it to our max edges answer. Let's do that. If And we will find what are two points which this edge is connecting. So by simply doing that, u and v, finding u and v, and we will find its parents. So simply like u is equal to find of u and v is equal to find of v. And if they are already merged, this needs to be equal. If they are already reachable, u exactly equal to v, then we can simply delete this edge. So we will add this max edges. We will add this answer to our max edges plus plus, and if not, we will merge them. So here it is union underscore, no problem, u comma v. So now we check for all type 3 edges, and this looks good, because we have used the maximum number of type 3 edges. Now we can go for separately for Alice and Bob TSU. So I will simply copy and paste this. Okay, and if this type is 1, that is it is Alice. So here I forgot that we have to make two DSUs. So like let's find from Alice parents. Here we can use anything, but for merging we have to merge in both DSUs. So in the DSUs of Alice and Bob, we have to merge it in a both. And here we have to use Alice DSU, because we are looking for Alice type edges, and how we can like remove that edges. And here for Alice type of edges, if they are already merged, we are going to remove that, and if they are not, we are going to merge them and make a union of that. That sounds cool. Let's do it for like Bob as well. Okay, so here just need to change the Bob, and the type of node here should be through a 2, and that's pretty much cool, I guess. And there is one condition as well, because we have to say that if it's not reachable at all, we have to return the -1. So how we can check that? Like in DSU, we know that after the merging all, this needs to have only one master element. So we can check that. We can make a two sets, A and B, for Alice and Bob, and we will mark all the parents from the Alice and add all the parents from the Bob as well. And for reachability condition, this A set and B set has to be size 1, because there will be only one master element. So for here, okay, n is given. Okay, no issue. And we need to check that if it's one base or zero base indexing. Yeah, it's one base. Okay, so we will take Alice DSO parents in one set. Simply we will do for Bob as well. And if here, if one of the size is greater than 0, or a dot size is actually, if they are if one of them is greater than 1, we can say that after removing nothing else, still they are not reachable, because Alice cannot travel, or Bob cannot travel to all the cities or all the edges, we can say. Then we simply return -1 because it's not reachable. And if it's possible, we will return the max edges. Okay, that sounds cool. So let's simply try to run on some sample test cases. Undeclared item. Okay. Okay, here we need to mention the class, because it is the class element. Okay. There is also one compilation error. Yeah, I guess it's pretty much fine. We are getting accepted for this. Let's check for example test cases as well. Yeah, this is cool. We are getting right answer for this. It is 0 because we cannot remove any edges. If you remove this 2 comma 3, this will not be reachable anytime. So here answer is 0 because no edge can be removed. So let's try to submit this, and let's see if we are getting accepted or not. Yeah, this is pretty much cool. It is accepted, and this was one of the approach. There can be multiple approach rather than DSU, but I find it very easy to understand, and how we can approach it. It is in disjoint set union. So thank you so much for watching. Take care.